Happy Wednesday, guys. Just wanted to kind of give you a quick overview of what I'm expecting from you today. So your assignment today is, we're calling it a review catch-up day. So the first thing I want you to do is go up to apps, go down to classroom, of course, go to our math classroom, and then instead of trying to look for all of this in the stream, I want you to go to classwork. Okay. Then when you get here, you should be able to click on these assignments and see if you have turned it in or not. This is showing out, this is the teacher version, so it's showing me that I have 13 turned in and 12 assigned. This one, I still need 2 people to do, but you should be able to see when you look at your assignments if you are missing anything. What I want you to do today is find those missing assignments and turn them in. You will get work habit credits for doing that today. Okay, so if you have missing or late assignments, that is what you're doing. You're turning those in. You'll get credits. I will see your name pop up in my email that you turned in a late assignment, and I will go give you those work habit points for the day. If you also need another way to check if you are missing assignments, you can check Infinite Campus as well. Everything's up to date. I got all of the grades entered and ready to go, so it is completely up to date with any missing assignments. So you can check that as well. If you are all caught up with your assignments and you're not missing anything, you don't have any late assignments to turn in, what I want you to do is find some practice problems in your workbook from anything in Unit 3, preferably toward the end, because that would be better practice, and do some practice problems, upload some pictures of that like a normal workbook check. Okay, that will be your work habits for today. So whether you are doing practice problems in your book or turning in late assignments, the goal is for you to be doing something with math to review this unit to get us ready for our test tomorrow. Okay, so 2 options: turning in late assignments. Second option, turning in some pictures of some practice problems that you did for review. Okay, that's all I need from you today. Don't forget that on Friday we're doing workbook pickup for your next workbooks. If a parent can't come on Friday, you need to let me know. I'm trying to figure out another time that would work, but if you can't come Friday morning from 9 to noon, you need to let me know so I can figure something else out. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. If you're not sure if you're missing assignments, let me know. If you're stuck on a problem, let me know. Feel free to reach out. It's the day before our test, so I'm happy to help and I want to answer any questions I can. Happy Wednesday. And yeah, I think that's it. So let me know if you need anything, and hopefully today is a quick and good refresher before your test tomorrow. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you later.